So if you want to add widgets on your lock screen on iPhone 16e, so first of all, let's turn off our phone, let's summon our lock screen and hold our finger. Let's press customize, choose lock screen. So here is your digits. Let me remove the current ones. So tap add digits, add widgets, and you have a lot of different options such as batteries, calendar, clock, fitness, health, home, journal, reminder, sleep, stocks, tips, weather. So as you see, many variants. Keeping in mind that you can set up either 4 small digits, 2 small and 1 big digits, or just 2 big digits. So for example, let's choose our battery widget. Let's set up this one. Alright, now let's choose something from clock and let's set up this big ones. And as we see, we still have place for 1 small. So let's choose our sleep digit and set it up here. And when you're done, simply press done at the top right corner and there you are. Now you have new widget setup. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.